Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, how are you all? All good?
Very
All
well.
good.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am, all good.
Yeah. Okay. Then. So, have you guys done the activity questions and everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So today we are going.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am,
going to
done.
take. Okay. So today I'm going to take a doubt session. So the one thing that we are going to do is we will be going activity wise. Okay. Like 1.1, then 1.2, and like that. So if any of you are having any doubts in activity 1.1, we will be clearing that first, then 1.2, and so on. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Let's start then. Hmm.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. One doubt that I have is I received a mail today saying that the deadline for the grading assignment was tomorrow.
Yes.
But however, in one of the previous mails, I read that it was around 26th or 27th. So could you please clarify which is the correct deadline to submit the grading assignment?
The correct deadline is tomorrow. Where did
Okay.
you find it, like 26, 27?
I think I found it on the website. I think when I was doing the assignment, I can't recall offhand, but I did see that it was around 26 that mentioned, but I've submitted it anyways. Just wanted to know. Thank you.
It's one only. Okay then. So shall we start? So anybody having doubts in activity 1.1? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
If yes, what's your doubt in which question? Anyone? Okay. So shall we move to the next question activity then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone in 1.2?
Yes, ma'am. I just need to find that question, which question I have query in. I'll just tell you in 1 minute. Just a minute.
Yeah, sure. Anybody else till then?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. The people who are not able to speak, they can write it in chat box.
Ma'am, for the second week's assignment, the grading assignment, what's the deadline now?
It should be just a second, I'll just let you know. 8 next week. Next week Wednesday.
Sorry, ma'am, what's the date? If you could say that, please.
8.
8th.
8. Yeah.
All right.
Maybe, ma'am, it's the first question only. I have,
First question.
yeah, ma'am, first question. I have doubt in first question, like the third option, which is for each variable, the same type of value for each case is recorded. I thought the answer should be third one, but answer was fourth one, maybe. Which one is the answer, ma'am? I thought the answer is third one.
What is the answer is showing?
First,
The
second, and third.
first. Yeah. Okay.
So is mine is correct or wrong?
What were your answer?
Ma'am, I was thinking that the answer is fourth one, but the answer is third.
Answer is 1, 2, and 3, right? And you
But
just
why?
choose
I
only the
chose
fourth
fourth
option. Only fourth, right?
one. Yes, ma'am. Only not
Okay.
only, but one second and fourth. I choose one
Okay.
second, fourth.
Okay. So you're asking that the fourth one is why is it not correct? Correct? Okay. Which of the following statement is or actually about structured data? Each observation must have its own row, correct? Each variable must have its own column, correct? For each variable, the same type of value for each case is recorded. For each variable, the same type of value for each case is recorded, correct? For each case, the same type of value. Okay, yeah. Why this is not correct? Okay. Okay, so if you see here, We made a table here, right? One table was here. Okay. Now, the thing is, this is, so what is my case? Case is basically each of this row. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, for each of this case, are my, like, what was the statement? For each case, the same type of value for each variable is recorded. So, same type of value for these are my variables, name, Gmail, phone number. So, am I having same type of value for each of the variable? No, right? This is the name, this is Gmail, this is phone number, this is scores, and these are my categories. So in each, like in one case, I'm having different values for each of the variable, right? They are not same.
Okay, understood.
Got
Understood,
it?
ma'am.
Yeah. So that's the difference. Yeah. Okay. Then okay, so one person is having in question number 3, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, question number 3. Okay. Data is collected from the people of every family living in a locality. The collected information is first name.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, it is from activity 1.4.
No. I just like in the chat box, one person has said from activity, which was 1.2, question number 3. Is he here? HP, right? Are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Question number
Okay.
3, please.
Question number 3. Okay. So the question is, data is collected from people of every family living in a locality. The collected information is first name, second name, income, height, etc. Which among the following collected data is not a variable? Okay, so the first name we can have first name different, second name different, income we can have different, height we can have different, weight, blood group, locality. Okay. So the main thing is first name we can have a different variable. What do you mean by variable? Can you tell me?
Variable which varies, ma'am.
Which
Different
varies.
person have
Okay.
different.
So can you tell me, like, we are just collecting from one locality. Okay. So if you like, let's suppose locality in the sense I am just collecting the data from for the Chennai people. Okay, only for
Yes, ma'am.
Chennai people. So now here
Okay.
Chennai is same for all the households, right? For all
Yes.
the family, right? So is Chennai my variable? My city? Is
No,
it
ma'am.
variable?
Chennai
No,
is
right?
not variable.
Yeah, so
No.
it's the same way. So locality is not a variable because from the same locality. So each of the houses are from the same locality. So in the locality column, everybody will be having the same name, correct? That's why it's not a
Yeah.
it's not a variable. Okay.
It's not a variable. Okay.
Okay, fine. Now, any other doubt from 1.2? Anyone? Just raise your hands or anything. No? Shall we move forward to the next question then? Next activity questions then? 1.3?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, who are all are having doubts in 1.3? No one?
Madam, second question.
Second
1.3
question.
second.
What kind of variable are comparative forms of Edwards like more, less, good, better, and best? Okay. Now, there are two types of variables, categorical and numerical. Okay, what do you mean by categorical variable? Can you explain
Which
me?
has some category. Some
Which has
category,
some
madam.
category in the sense like qualitative data, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Then numerical, what do you mean by numerical variable?
Numerical variable, which has numerical values like 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, which has numbers, right? Which is a quantitative.
Which
Okay,
has
fine. Now, if you see here, it's more, less, good, better, and best. So according to you, can you number, like, if is there any numeric property in it? Like, can you add and subtract, do arithmetic operations in that? It's
No,
just,
ma'am. Can.
yeah, it's just an ordinal variable, right? More, less, good, better, best, right? It's an order,
Yeah.
like good, then better, like that. So now the ordinal variable comes under which data? Which type of variable? Categorical, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that's why this is a categorical variable. Okay. Got it? Is it fine? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Ram, you are having doubt in 8th question in this activity only. Just type yes or no. Okay, fine. Now, suppose one is interested in calculating the weight of a bag before leaving for the airport. What kind of variable is the weight of the bag? Okay. So if you see here, we are just calculating the weight of a bag. That means it's a quantitative, right? That's depicting the quantity. So the main thing is the first option is quantitative and the second option is also quantitative. Now we have to check whether it's a discrete or continuous. Now weight of a bag, it's in kilogram. It's a measurement. So if it's a measurement, then that means it should be a continuous variable. So the answer is quantitative and continuous. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, okay. What about Ram? Have you understood? Okay, fine. Okay. So anyone having any more doubts in 1.3? Shall we move forward to the next activity?
So, ma'am, yeah, there is one doubt
Uh,
about the continuous and discrete part because in my understanding, continuous is like if it
hmm,
is 2, then 4, then 6, like that, and discrete is the value keeps changing in some sense. So you are talking about the kg. Kg also, in kilograms, the quantity keeps changing. So
hmm.
why it is not discrete and continuous?
Why it is not discrete? It is continuous.
Then when will be discrete?
Discrete is if you are able to count it. I can count the number of bags. I can count the number of books. I can count the number of pens. If you can count it, then that's a discrete. If you can't count it, then it's a continuous. Fine?
But we can count it 2
What?
kilos, 3 kilos, 4 kilos.
No, the main thing is if you have a number of bags and you have to like calculate the like in this question it's like calculating the weight of the bag. Okay, so the weight like we can't calculate the weight. We can't count the weight. We are calculating it. So that's why this is a continuous thing. Just remember that in continuous, the measurement, all the measurement things, the measuring things. Okay. So basically, if we can't count it, we are measuring it, right? Like the height, the weight, or the uh, what else? Like the area or something. We are measuring it. Yeah. Can you count the area? You can't count the area. Can you count the weight? You can't count the weight. Count is like you are counting it 1, 2, 3, 4, and like now like you got some idea what difference between the count and the measurement.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you,
You
ma'am.
got the point? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
that's it. So 1.3 is clear. Shall we move
Ma'am,
forward?
ma'am, are we going to are you going to explain these questions line from sequence, or I can ask from ahead? Like I have a question in practice set 1.2.
No, I'm just going like activity wise. Okay. So 1.3 is clear. I guess 1.3 is clear to everyone. I'll move forward to the 1.4 then. Shall I? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. So 1.4, you can ask the doubts. I think many of them are having from 1.4. No one is having.
Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Ma'am, I have a doubt between interval scale and ratio scale. Can you please explain that one?
Interval and ratio. Just a second, I'll just clear this question number 3, then I'll come back to that.
Okay, sure.
Okay? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so one person is having doubt in question number 3. The question number 3 is, a survey has been conducted to determine the amount of time a student below the age of 12 spends on playing video games. The students are being given the following options to choose from this list. What kind of scale of measurement has been used here? Okay, so first of all, okay, according to you, can you tell me, Unnati, what, according to you, what should be my answer?
Ma'am, I think it should be interval scale.
It should be interval. Okay. So the main thing is what are the properties for an interval scale of measurement?
Ma'am, although it has all the properties of ordinal scale, but
Mm.
it has a difference of a fixed
Fixed unit of difference,
fixed
correct?
units of measurements.
Yeah. So now can you tell me, like, if you see here, the intervals are less than 30, 30 to 45, 45 to 60, more than 60, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now between 30 to 45, what's the difference? 15, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And 45 to 60, it's 15, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you tell me for more than 60, what's the difference? Do you know? No, right?
Ma'am,
And for less than
yes,
30
ma'am.
also. So that's why this is not an interval scale. This is just an ordinal scale of measurement. Okay?
Ma'am, but like as we see, like intervals and ratio are basically for the numerical data.
Sorry?
And for the data we are collecting here, is it in somehow has to be a numerical data? It can't be categorical.
No, the main thing is determine the amount of time is swimming below the age after spends on playing. We are just categorizing it. So mainly when we are collecting the data, we are just categorizing them into less than 30, 30 to 45, 45 to 60, and more than 60. That's it. We are just categorizing them into these categories. Like we have, like if the question is like, if you, like in ordinal thing, we do bad, then good, average, excellent, like that. So we categorize the films according to these categories, right? In the same way, we did the same thing. We are just categorizing the time in less than 30, 30 to 45, 45 to 60, more than 60. We are just categorizing them into that. That's it. We are not doing any numerical thing or something. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, basically, it's like there was some initialization in the ranking, like from 15 to 30 and something like that. Then it could have been an interval.
Then it could have been an interval. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Any other doubt from 1.4? Anyone?
So, ma'am, it is ordinal, right?
Yeah, it's ordinal. That's it. Shall we move forward to 1.7
number.
Sorry?
7 number.
7 number. Okay. If
Yes.
addition subtraction can be performed on a variable, then the scale of measurement of the variable could be okay. Now the first thing is in categorical, that is in nominal and ordinal, we can't do any arithmetic operations, right? Yes or no? So see, ordinal and yeah, so ordinal and nominal are cancelled out. Okay, so these options are not correct. Then the next options are ratio and interval. So if you remember in the interval, we can do addition and subtraction, correct? And in
Yes,
ratio,
ma'am.
we can do every arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So now, according to you, what should be the like the answer?
Interval only.
Interval and in ratio
Yes.
also we can do it, right? We can
Both.
choose two options, right?
Interval and ratio.
Interval and ratio. Yes. In interval also we can do addition, subtraction, and in ratio also we can do addition and subtraction. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Excuse me,
in
ma'am.
these type of questions, right? I'm just telling you, like an interval type, the scale of measurement, we would be asking you simple questions only. We won't be asking you any questions which are confusing for you. Okay. So just like the activity questions or the graded assignment questions or the practice assignment questions that you have done, right? That is more than enough. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in understanding for cases in a table.
You have a doubt in that. Okay, can I do one thing? Like, let me just complete the whole activity thing. Okay, the doubt of these. Then I will just clear the doubts for the theory thing. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's complete this. Okay. Okay, so 1.4 is clear. Can we move forward to the practice assignment then? Yes or no? Anyone having any doubts?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. So we have 1.1. Anybody having doubts in 1.1? Rajan, you have doubt? Okay, so anybody having in 1.1? Please speak up or put it in the chat box. Some number
Ma'am,
6.
can you please the number 2, question number 2.
Question number 2. Okay.
Ma'am, pin code is a categorical variable.
Just a second. Let me just complete this and I'll come back to you. Okay. Okay. Now, the values of temperature and humidity of a room are measured for 24 hours at a regular time interval of 30 minutes. Based on this, choose the correct option from below. Value of temperature and humidity are measured for 24 hours for different time. Okay. Based on this, choose the correct option from the below. It should be
Time series.
time series. According to you, what should be your answer? Who asked this question?
I
Yeah. So, what's your doubt on this?
ma'am, actually, in cross-sectional data, we see that it is
Mhm.
taken for there is a time frame
Correct.
for which we take the cross-sectional data. So
Okay, so the thing is, if you look into the like, if you just read the question carefully, we are, in a sense, measuring for 24 hours a regular interval of 30 minutes. So in every 30 minutes, in the sense, let's take like 12 o'clock, then 12:30, then 1 o'clock, then 1:30. So in different time frames, we are measuring the temperature and the humidity of a room. You got my point? So we have a different time intervals and we have only one variable. Okay?
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
That's why this is a time series. Now got it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, question number 6. Okay. Before that, one person asked me something, pin code or something, right?
Yes,
One
ma'am.
person
Yes,
asked
ma'am.
me something.
Pin
Yeah.
code is categorical data.
Why pin code is the category? Sorry. Could you repeat it once again?
Ma'am, pin code is categorical variable, no?
Yeah, correct.
Ma'am, because it's a pin code showing address.
Huh.
That's why we can call it a category.
Yeah. So the thing is, like pin code are in numbers, right? So if they are in numbers, we usually consider, like, in general, we take it as a numerical, right? But it's not
Yes.
a numerical, it's a categorical. Why? Because we can't do any arithmetic operations. It's just a label. It's just labeling a locality or the city, right? So that's why it's a categorical. Okay. That was your doubt. Is it clear? Okay. Question number 6. Variables with an interval scale of measurement may be converted into a ratio scale of measurement by performing. Okay. The main thing is, okay, I did the same thing, like I explained this question, I guess. Okay. So let's suppose I am having 2 films. Okay. I'm having 2 films and like you have to give, I'm collecting the ratings of first film and the second film. Okay. So the first films I have given the ratings like 1, 2, 4, 2, 1 like that. And for the second film, I have given this rating. Okay. Now the main thing is this is an interval scale of measurement. Okay. Now in interval scale of measurement, I can do only addition and subtraction. Now, if I add both of these values, I'm not getting 0. The main thing, the main thing of ratio scale is there is an absolute 0, right? So I need to have a new variable in which there is a value of 0. Okay. Now the thing is, if I add both of these, I'm not getting 0 value. Okay. But if I'm subtracting it, I am getting 0. That's why through subtraction, I can convert an interval scale to a ratio scale. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Now, what was any other question from 1.1? Roll number is a nominal scale of measurement. And until and unless it is stated in the question that the roll numbers are in order, like 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, it is stated in the question, then only it will be an ordinal, otherwise it will be a nominal scale. Fine? Is it okay? Yes or no? Suyash and yeah, okay, fine. Okay, any other doubts in 1.1? Any other doubts? Shall we move forward to the next practice assignment?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can't we say that the amount of money is interval scale of measurement?
Sorry?
Ma'am, can't we
Once again.
say, am I audible to you?
Yeah, you're audible.
Ma'am, can't we say that the amount of money is interval scale of measurement?
Amount of money. Amount of money double zero. You're saying it's an interval scale of measurement, right?
Yeah, I'm asking about it.
It should be a ratio scale of measurement, right? Because the thing is, here the ratios are meaningful. In the sense, if I say that, let's suppose let's take an example, like 20 rupees and 40 rupees. So I can say that the 40 rupees is the double of 20 rupees, right? The ratios here are meaningful, correct? And we also have like absolute zero, right? So these two properties are we have. So that's why this is a ratio, not an interval scale. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Any other doubt from 1.1? Shall we move forward now?
Madam, question number 10.
This one.
Question number 10.
Which of the following is a numerical variable? Height, days of
Madam,
the week.
third number, jersey number of sport player.
Sorry?
Jersey number of sport player, why not numerical variable?
Jersey number. Okay. The main, if you like, jersey number is same thing as roll number. We are just identifying like it's a labeling uh, the players, right? It's not anything related to numeric quantity or something. That's why it's not a numerical. Like in the sports, they like in the cricket also they have numbers, right? So the
Yes,
numbers are usually denoting the players or just they are labeling the players, correct? If
yeah,
correct me if I'm wrong. Yes, right?
correct.
So so that's why this is not a numerical, it's a categorical variable. Okay. Same like
Okay.
roll number. Okay. Okay. Anything else?
So, ma'am, that means in numerical data, the number should have some meaning, a mathematical meaning.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Okay. Shall we move forward then to next assignment? Yes or no? Mobile number will be a nominal. It will be a categorical value. Okay, because you can't do any arithmetic operations. Can you do any arithmetic operations from in the mobile numbers? No, right? Okay, Suresh?
Ma'am, can nominal be zero?
What?
Can nominal scale of measurement be zero?
Zero in the sense what? Zero in like what? I'm not getting the point.
Ma'am, can integers can be nominal?
Can
Integers.
integers.
Uh,
Integers in like what?
like negative numbers, 0, like that.
But the numbers, what they are representing.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. Now, in 1.2,
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt in 1.1.
okay.
Yeah, the doubt is the question number 6, which is variables with an interval scale of measurement may be converted into rational scale of measurement by performing.
In 1.1, right?
Yeah, in 1.1, 6 question.
Variables with an interval scale can be
Yes,
converted
I'm
into
just
a
saying.
ratio scale. Yeah.
So I put it the answer cannot be converted to ratio variables.
Yes.
And the answer is subtraction operation. How is that
Then,
possible?
were you there in the session right now? Because 5 minutes, 10 minutes earlier only I explained this. Were you there?
Sorry, ma'am. I'm in class. So
Okay.
I'm attending this class in my offline class. So that's why. Sorry, ma'am. But
Okay.
you just elaborate me in like in summary only.
Okay. So the main thing is, let's suppose I'm okay. So I have two ratings here. So these ratings are like they are interval scale, right? So I have one rating, one film rating and the second film rating. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Now the thing is, if these are my interval scale. So in an interval scale, I can do only two operations, addition and subtraction. And in the ratio scale, the main thing is we need a zero, right? Because it
Right.
has absolute zero. Now if I add both of these, I'm not getting zero. But if I'm subtracting both of these, I am getting zero. That's why through subtraction, I can convert an interval into a ratio scale. Okay.
Understood, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So now in 1.2, anyone having any doubts? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have doubt in third question. No, ma'am. In fourth question.
What is the scale? Yeah, so the ratings, you tell me what it should be. According to you, what is the answer?
According to me, the answer is interval.
It's interval. And what's
No,
the
ma'am.
answer?
According to me, the answer is ordinal. Sorry, ratio. But the computer is showing that the answer is interval. So according to me, that's a
Why
ratio.
it is ratio?
Ma'am, because like according to me, it's a numerical thing. Also,
Okay. Does the ratings have absolute zero value? Because the ratings are going from 1 to 5 only. There is no zero.
no,
So can you tell me if it's absolute zero, following absolute zero property?
there's no
So
zero.
yeah, right. So that's why this is an interval scale.
But ma'am, in interval, there's a thing that there should be a proper gap between two.
Yeah, so like in the sense like from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Each and every intervals are having one unit of difference, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
And the ratios are also not meaningful. So we can't say that it's a ratio scale. It's an interval scale of measurement. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
And one
Can you tell
person.
me why only for ordinal and nominal variables only mode is defined and not mean and median is defined?
Is that a topic of week 2?
Yes, ma'am. I think the question was in 1.1. 1.1.
Can't be there.
No, ma'am. It was in the practice assignment 2.1. Sorry.
Yeah. So that's what it's week 2, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I'll just take it in the last. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So one person is having doubts in question number 11. Statement: the sample should be representative of a population. True, since the sample is a subset, because the sample is a subset and we derive the properties of the populations like mean, median from the sample, cause sample need to be okay. So the first thing is the statement is here, the sample should be representative of the population. This is a correct statement, yes or no? Yes, Fahad? Are you there?
Yes, that I
Yeah.
understood. Didn't
Yeah.
understand the statement. The second.
Okay. So now the thing is, so we will be considering only the first two option, that is true. Okay. Now, why it is true? The first option is since the sample is a subset of the population, and second, true because the sample is subset of the population and we derive the properties of the populations like mean, median from the sample. Okay. So why? Okay. So why? So option 2 will be considered because the sample is a subset and the sample that we are collecting from it, we are deriving the properties of the population, or we are concluding something about the populations only, right? So that why option 2 is correct, which is this one, the true because the sample is a subset and we derive the properties of the population from the sample. Okay.
So basically, it means that since the sample is a true representation, because of that, then the properties of mean and median can be applied to the population. Is my understanding correct?
Yeah, the main, okay. So if we're analyzing any data, okay, let's suppose I'm analyzing the data of, we had taken an example, right? So let's suppose, okay, the same example, like the Delhi University example. So we are taking, we are conducting some survey on the freshmen of the Delhi University. Okay. Now, the thing is, so the population is very big. So what I am going to take, I'm taking 400 students, 400 freshman students from each of all the departments in the Delhi University, right? So now, the samples that I am taking out are true representative of all the freshmen in the Delhi University, correct? So if
Okay.
I am conducting anything in the sample, as sample is a correct representative of the population, then or the findings that I am finding out from the sample will be uh, will be for the population only.
Applied to the population.
Correct. So that's why it
Okay,
is saying,
understood.
yeah,
Okay.
that's the same thing in the second line that they are
Okay.
saying. Okay.
Thank you.
Any other doubt? Any other doubts? Yes or no?
Question number 9.
Question number 9. Which of the following is our case for the given byte data set? What do you mean by case?
Row.
All the rows. Okay. What's the important property of a case? What's the important property?
Case are not vary.
They do not vary. It should be
It should be nominal.
It should be unique. Correct? So in each of these, if you see here, the bike brands, okay, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, Suzuki. So they are not unique, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Not unique.
So now I can't consider this as a case, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
मैम तो वो क्या फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम जो है वो वेरिएबल हो जाएगा फिर
होंडा
वो
यामाहा।
वेरिएबल, हाँ वो वेरिएबल हो जाएगा। ठीक है। अब जो सेकेंड वाला कॉलम अगर आप देखोगे तो उसमें क्या है, हमारा अलग अलग जो बाइक का जो भी है, होंडा का जो मॉडल है उसका नाम है, करेक्ट। तो अगर द मेन थिंग इज, जो केस क्या होता है हमारा, अब जैसे मैंने एक एग्जांपल दिया था रोल नंबर वाला, जैसे मैं अभी एक क्लास में सर्वे कर रही हूँ, तो हर एक बच्चे का रोल नंबर होता है, उसका नाम होता है, उसका मैं कुछ भी डेटा इकट्ठा कर रही हूँ। सो इफ आई एम आस्किंग एनी वन दैट आई नीड द डेटा ऑफ दिस पर्सन, व्हाट आई विल बी सेइंग दैट आई नीड द डेटा ऑफ द रोल नंबर वन, करेक्ट। मैं रोल नंबर वन से क्या है उसको डिनोट करूँ, तो मुझे उसका सारा खाली उसी का डेटा मिलेगा, राइट। अगर मान के चलो एक क्लास में एक नाम से दो इंसान है, ठीक है, अगर मैंने बोला कि मुझे डेटा चाहिए स्वाति का, ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, मान के चलो दो स्वाति है, तो मेरे पास दो डेटा आ जाएगा, एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन का डेटा नहीं मिलेगा, राइट। तो हमारा केस वही होता है जो यूनिकली रिप्रेजेंट करता है, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, हमारा रोल नंबर एक पर्सन को यूनिकली रिप्रेजेंट करता है, यस और नो।
यस मैम।
उसी तरीके से हमारा जो बाइक का नेम होता है, अगर बाइक का ब्रांड देखोगे, ब्रांड हमारा सबका सेम है, राइट। होंडा, यामाहा, सुजुकी, सुजुकी। तो इफ आई वांट एनी डेटा, तो क्या होगा, अगर मैं बोलूंगी मुझे होंडा का डेटा चाहिए, तो मेरे पास होंडा के जितने भी बाइक के नेम है वो सारे आ जाएंगे, राइट। तो मुझे एक पर्टिकुलर यूनिक के हमें एक यूनिक लेना है, मतलब एक ऐसा केस लेना है जो यूनिक हो, जिसको मैं आइडेंटिफाई कर सकूं। तो विद द बाइक नेम आई कैन यूनिकली आइडेंटिफाई डेटा, करेक्ट।
यस मैम।
दैट्स वाई, तो यहाँ पे KTM 790 Duke, Yamaha MT-09, Yamaha displacement in CC. So basically these are my bike names, right?
यस मैम।
Yeah. So that's why these are my cases. Yamaha is the bike brand. So yeah, with Yamaha, if you see here, we have two, three Yamaha, right? They are not unique. That's why this is not a case, and displacement is
नॉट
not
अ
at all
केस।
a case. Yeah. Okay. Understood?
यस मैम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में मैम कंटिन्यूअस वेरिएबल पूछ रहा है, तो इसमें माइलेज और डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा बस।
हाँ, माइलेज, डिस्प्लेसमेंट और एवरेज रेट।
एवरेज रेटिंग भी।
हाँ, जो हम एवरेज निकालेंगे वो तुम काउंट कर सकते हो,
यार
हमने एवरेज निकाला है ना।
मैम वो अप्रोक्स में आ सकता है।
हाँ, ठीक है। ओके, एनी अदर डाउट्स?
Hello,
अच्छा,
ma'am. Can case can be become numerical?
सॉरी।
Can case can be become numerical?
Numerical, it can't be numerical. Mostly we take it as like it should be a categorical, like in the sense it should be a label, like roll number or name or anything kind of like that. We usually take it that as a case, not the
Okay,
numerical.
if I have a roll number or something like that, can I take this as
Case.
a
Yeah,
case?
it's correct. It can be taken as
Okay.
a case.
So, ma'am, in previous table, if the number of cylinders for all vehicle is entirely different, can we take that column as a case?
The number of cylinder.
Yes, if every vehicle has unique number of cylinders, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, can we take that column as a case?
Then I hope so. But we majorly take the categorical one as the cases. No, generally, in the sense.
Oh,
It's
okay,
very,
ma'am. If I have two column which have unique categorical name, so out of that, what will I choose as case?
you can take any of the column.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So 1.2 is clear. The mean median is defined on sample or population. The mean median that we're calculating is from the sample, and that the calculation part that you have done is actually we are predicting it for the population with the help of the sample. Okay. Okay. So you can
डिस्क्रिप्टिव में मीन मीडियन नहीं कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं क्या?
descriptive में
डिस्क्रिप्टिव
हाँ
स्टैटिक में मीन मीडियन मोड कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं या एवरेज निकाल सकते हैं?
हाँ निकाल सकते हैं. Okay. So I hope like all the doubts are clear from the activity and the assignments. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
So
मैम ग्रेडेड असाइनमेंट सबमिट कर दिए हैं, अगर उसमें डाउट कुछ लग रहा है, अगर चेंजेस करना हो तो दोबारा चेंजेस कर सकते हैं या नहीं?
शायद कर सकते हैं हाँ.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
So like when we are giving ratings for like an app, right? It's like any number between 1 to 5. So
Yeah.
is it like categorical or uh, numerical?
It will be an interval, right? Interval scale. Okay. You are asking about categorical and numerical.
Yes.
Yeah. Rating.
What is the question? Please repeat.
It is a numerical. It should be a numerical. I hope. I guess.
It will be numerical, right?
Oh.
And like when we calculate like average of the ratings given by all the users, so is it like a categorical or it's a numerical? Because it's giving like quality information about the app, right?
So. Hmm. Can you repeat it once again?
So like when we are asking for feedback from for the app from the users, right? So at first, when the users are giving the feedback, it's numerical rating, right? But when we are calculating all the averages and giving them an average of rating, like 3.5, right? So it's categorical, right? Because it's basically it's saying quality, it's giving like qualitative properties of the app, right?
Yes. We take it as correct. Huh.
It will be qualitative, right? I don't remember the question number, but in one of the activities, there was a question like this, like the rating app one, and I had a doubt in that, and I don't remember the question number, so I was just asking. Thanks.
Okay. Is it on practice assignment?
Ma'am, practice assignment 1.2, question number 3 and 5.
Yeah, this one, yeah.
So here the rating given by the user. Okay, so rating for one rating for that. What kind of variable is the rating given by each user to one app? Okay, in this question, if you see here, with the help of the rating, we are calculating arithmetically, right? So the thing is, with the help of the ratings, we can calculate, we can do any arithmetic operation. That means it's a numerical variable, right? Now, in the numerical variable, so it should be a numerical gap. Now, whether it should be discrete and continuous, it should be like we can count the ratings, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are counting it, right? So that's why this is a discrete numerical variable. Okay. Now, this fourth question is what is the scale of measurement? So as rating is a numerical, in numerical we have two things, right? Interval and ratio. An interval we have no absolute zero, in ratio we have an absolute zero. Now in the ratings, if you see here, we don't have no absolute zero, right? So that's why this is an interval scale of measurement. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
मैम बट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 जो है उसका, उसमें वो कंटिन्यू ओवरऑल रेटिंग की बात हो रही है, तो फिर वो कंटिन्यूअस न्यूमेरिकल हो जा रहा है, वो थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे?
Sorry, what? Can you repeat it once again?
Can you scroll little downward so that we can see the question? Yes, yes.
Ma'am, number 5.
Ma'am, rating is a ordinal scale. It is not interval.
See, rating, it depends upon situation to situation. Okay, so if, like in the sense, if it's following any arithmetic operations, if you can find out anything like average or something, then the ratings are interval. Okay, but now the ratings are just we are just categorizing it. We are just giving them the rates. Okay, like as an order. Okay, so then that's an ordinal.
मैम यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि रेटिंग गिवन बाय द यूजर्स,
हाँ,
मैम यूजर जो
but
रेटिंग जो देंगे वो
but
1
in
के
the
5
question, it is saying that with the help of the ratings, they are doing the arithmetic. They are calculating the mean, right? So with the help of the ratings, they are calculating something. So this is a numerical thing. Okay.
ये एक प्रैक्टिस असाइनमेंट 1.2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है मैम, व्हाट इज द स्केल ऑफ मेजरमेंट ऑफ रेटिंग गिवन बाय द यूजर।
Yes.
मैम यूजर जो हमें रेटिंग देगा वो एवरेज थोड़ी ना निकालेगा, वो बस रेटिंग दे के चला जाएगा, तो ये ऑर्डर में देगा।
No, देखो क्वेश्चन, अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, जो रेटिंग जो हम दे रहे हैं उसके हेल्प से हम अरिथमेटिक मीन निकाल रहे हैं। पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ो, फिर उसके बाद उसका जो उसका सब पार्ट्स है वो देखो। ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू गो। ठीक है, इन जनरल हम रेटिंग्स को कह सकते हैं कि ऑर्डिनल है, बट इस क्वेश्चन में हम रेटिंग्स में अरिथमेटिक मीन निकाल रहे हैं, सो इट्स अ न्यूमेरिकल। Okay, it's a numerical variable. Now in numerical variables we have two scales of measurement, interval and ratio. ठीक है, तो in that हाँ ये interval है। ठीक है, so तुम्हें according to the question ही जाना है। ठीक है, हर एक चीज देखो, हम इंटरवल और रेशियो कभी भी जनरलाइज नहीं कर सकते किसी चीज का। ठीक है, वो सिचुएशन टू सिचुएशन डिपेंड करता है, हर एक केसेस में अलग अलग होता है। जैसे मैंने एंगल ऑफ मेजरमेंट का उस दिन बताया था, हर एक केस में अलग होता है। ठीक है, ऐसे ही हमारा रेटिंग्स भी हर एक केस में अलग होता है। गॉट द पॉइंट? या इज इट क्लियर नाउ?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अगर रेटिंग डेसिमल में हो तो वो
So
इंटरवल
that's
थोड़ी।
why, ma'am, it's ordinal.
That's sorry. Hello.
No, ma'am, it's ordinal.
Yeah, it's stopped. So the assignments and everything is clear? Are the
Yes,
doubts
sir.
clear
Yes,
to
ma'am.
everyone? Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now anyone having any other theory parts? Some people were having theory doubts, right?
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. If something value is in decimal, then it will always be continuous.
It won't be always be continuous. We can have a situation in which we have the decimal like non-integer value, and that is also like a discrete. Okay, so the main thing is, I told you before only, if it is a measuring thing, you are measuring something, height, weight, or the area or anything you're measuring. If it has some unit like kilograms, square feet, inches, something kind of like that, then that's a what do you call that? Continuous. Okay. If there is no measuring thing or anything, you're just counting it. Discrete, like you're counting it. Number of bags, number of books, number of clothes, number of pens or anything. You're counting it. That's a discrete. Okay. Is it fine
Okay,
now?
ma'am, but ma'am, suppose if a customer give a rating of 4.3, so then it will be a continuous or a discrete.
Sorry, once again, what?
Ma'am, suppose a customer give a rating of 4.3, then it will be continuous or a discrete.
Suppose I'm not getting it.
Customer gives a rating of 4.3. Then it will be a continuous or a discrete.
Continuous.
Rating 4.3. What is the question like?
Ma'am,
Only
there is a
one.
question in the
Can
yes,
you
ma'am.
tell me the question?
Ma'am, I don't know the question, but the previous slide I have seen the question. The answer is the discrete numerical value.
The answer is discrete numerical value.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the ratings like 4, 3, 2, 5, like this question only, na? The question number 3 of practice assignment 1.2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's a discrete numerical, correct?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. The person who has raised his hand.
Ma'am, is it done?
Yeah, it's done. No more doubts, right?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
No, I'm asking, are there no more doubts?
No.
Any other doubts from anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
the Google Calendar I have seen this class said that it will start from 2:30 to 4 something like that. Why is like that?
2:30 to 4.
Huh?
Is it showing for everyone?
No, ma'am.
No,
It's from 6
no,
to
ma'am.
8 only. It's from 6 to 8 only. Maybe the timings that you have set in your laptop or Google Calendar, like you have to check in the settings, I guess. Just check it once again.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe.
I had one question regarding practice assignment 2.1. It was one question was there that only mode can be calculated for nominal and ordinal variables. So, ma'am, my question is why only mode? Why not mean or median can be calculated?
Once again, can you repeat it?
Yes, ma'am. In one practice assignment, the correct answer was mode. Mode can only be calculated for nominal and ordinal type variables.
Nominal and ordinal mode. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. There was option mean, median, mode. Ma'am, for ordinal, I can understand because ordinal is not structured one. It is not. So in that case, mode can be calculated. But in case of nominal value, why again in nominal value also nominal type of variables also we only mode can be calculated? That is my question.
So, like you are asking that why only mode can be calculated for the nominal, right? Why can't we calculate median for that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay. So I'm just asking you, for the median, what is the first step that you do?
We have to calculate the number of the things that is there, and then we have to apply the formula n by 2 plus that.
That is the first step for calculating median. So think about it. Just give it a thought. The first step that you would be doing is arranging them, right? In ascending order.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So can you arrange nominal data in the any order?
No, ma'am.
So now can you calculate median for a nominal data?
No.
Yeah. Now you got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So you have done week 2 as well.
Ma'am, week 2 was given already. We have to complete that. I think.
Yeah, you have to complete, but you have started it, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And week 1 is already completed.
Yes, ma'am. The assignment is completed and also submitted.
Submitted. That's good. Great. Okay then. So week 1 is all clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. So yeah, so then that's it. Should I then end the meet then? Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, there is one.
Sorry?
Yeah, ma'am, will there be a doubt session tomorrow?
Doubt session tomorrow? No.
Is there any,
No, there is no. On Friday, we have a open session for week 2. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Now,
Thank you,
week 2
ma'am.
is much better than week 1. So it's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay then. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
everyone.
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So have a great night. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Good night.
Night, ma'am.